Welcome back to Kolu's Pokemon. Now today I got a pretty epic parcel in the mail. It came with this bag, which has Ordino and Pikachu and the Unova starters on it, as well as this coin, which was sent as like a bit of a freebie, which I haven't opened up. Yeah, I'll just show you here. So this parcel has come all the way from Japan, and I was watching Sasuke222, who's just done some amazing openings, him and his girlfriend on his channel, of the latest black and white sets from Japan, and I was like, wow, those are awesome. So being the impulsive and out of control person that I am, I went online and I thought, wow, Psycho Drive box, that's awesome. Then I thought, well, I can't just get one Psycho Drive box. That's not a very good opening. That's like kind of lame. So I was like, better get me a Hail Blizzard box. Because, let's face it, want to get at least, you know, one of each set. But then I was like, but damn, what if I don't get a full art in these sets, in these boxes? So being impulsive again, I was like, well, just to be safe, I'll get one more of each of the booster boxes. But then I was thinking, well, you've come this far, so I may have bought one more of each of the booster boxes. So all in all, I have a total of 6 booster boxes, which you can see there. 3 Psycho Drive, 3 Hail Blizzard. Yes, a little impulsive, perhaps. Awesome, definitely. All first edition as well, so makes me very happy. And so I've got the Mewtwo coin to go with Psycho Drive. And I will be opening these up in the near future. But yeah, they arrived 2 days after I ordered them from Japan, which is just amazing. So great seller that I found, and I'm really excited about opening these up. I don't know which one I'm going to start with. Will I start in this video, or will this be a teaser? This is going to be a teaser, I think. Stay tuned, fellow Poketubers. I'm going to be back with Psycho Drive and Hail Blizzard. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Bye!